To talk about our modern industrial strategy, I wanted to come to where the fourth industrial revolution is being shaped by British manufacturers, British scientists and British inventors. So tell us about how the MTC supports the industrial strategy.
Well, we're an independent research and technology organisation, so we take those great ideas that come out of academia and we scale them up to a point where business can actually use them. Last year we worked with 500 different organisations and over 100 of those have become industrial members and have a real long-term relationship with us to improve their strategy.
And it's developing new technology and it's about applying that technology.
It's all about developing stuff to the point where it can really be used by business to drive productivity.
Well, we've got two big robots behind. Can you explain what their role is in the operation?
Well, it's probably best if I introduce Andy to you. Andy's one of the thought leaders in the UK about the future of manufacturing and the future factory and what it looks like.
There's a demand moving forward for huge amounts of flexibility in the manufacturing processes so that the factory is more able to react rapidly to changing market conditions. People assume that automation means factories full of robots working 100% lights out. That's simply not going to be the case. There'll still always be a place for human skill and dexterity in that manufacturing environment.
So training people, a big part of our industrial strategy. We want to improve the level of technical skills in the population. But what kind of industries are being transformed by this type of technology?
We deal with industry across the board, so from aerospace to automotive to food and drink to space to construction industry.
Space is one of the big industries, the launch of satellites. Obviously, whether it's GPS or whether it's crop monitoring, the use of satellites is expanding exponentially. And we are the world's leader. Britain is the world's leader in the manufacture of small satellites. Is the technology you're developing here helping cement that position?
Yes, so we're working closely with local regional universities to develop a manufacturing hub for such products in the area.
I've always thought it was an amazing thing that over half of all the small satellites launched across the world today are built in Britain. And we're going to have the first spaceport in Europe to launch them. As part of the industrial strategy, we will be able to launch them from Britain, from the north of Scotland.
Yeah, it's exciting times for us.